Hey yummies, so we're back for the Sunday dinner series, and today we're making 5 spice Chinese chicken wings. Hey, here we go. So first we're going to take our thawed out chicken wings and we're going to season them with some salt and pepper. And then we're going to just add on the 5 spice Chinese seasoning. That's it. You can buy it in the supermarket. It's delicious. I don't even know what's in it, but it's so good. It'll give you a nice little twist and something different on your chicken wings. So now we're going to take those wings and make sure that they're fully covered with all the seasonings. We're going to prep our air fryer. That's right. We're making these in an air fryer. Okay. So once everything is seasoned, pop those chicken wings in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let that seasoning marinate. Prep your air fryer, and then after you've marinated those chicken wings, take them straight out of the refrigerator, put them in your air fryer. That's right. Put them in your air fryer, y'all. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now, I have a small air fryer, so I have to do these in batches. If I'm making like 10 to 20 wings, I do like about 5 or 6 at a time to make sure that they cook properly. And then we're going to give it a splash of olive oil. I like to give it a splash of olive oil, add a little juices in there, keep it juicy. Set your air fryer on 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Midway, you're going to flip them over and keep your eye on them. Keep checking on them. Make sure that they're cooked on all sides properly. Okay? And that's it. That's it. It's so simple. It's so delicious. Your family will love it. You serve it with whatever fries you want. Check this out, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at the color. Look at the color on those wings. They are just golden brown and they're juicy when you pop them open. And you don't need to add any sauce, but if you want to add some sauce, you can add a nice tomato sauce to it, some kind of dipping sauce on the side, maybe, whatever you want, some hot sauce, but you don't need it. You can eat these chicken wings just like they are. You guys, I hope you enjoy your Sunday dinner. This is episode 2 of your Sunday dinner series. Enjoy. Be blessed. Make sure every day is filled with yummy dishes. Peace.